Hello, welcome again. Hello, welcome again, my dear students. I hope you are all fine and doing well in your life. Now, let's go to another video and learn some more about AI tools. Today, I am trying to explain you about AI art and the motion picture brush. So, let me share the screen. Yeah. So let's start. Now, introduction to AI art generation and motion picture brush. So you must be excited to learn how you need not even pick up a pencil or a painting brush and still you can do art uh, with the help of these AI tools, which I will teach you. AI art generation is a revolutionary concept that combines artificial intelligence and artistic expression. If you are interested in art, you will understand that how exciting it is to create such AI arts and just come along with me and I will tell you how exciting it is and we will try to create these arts in the video. Motion picture brush plays a key role in this process by adding dynamic elements to the artworks. This webinar we will delve into fascinating world of AI driven art creation. So I hope you are excited as much as I am and let's go ahead. So understanding the concept of AI in art, algorithm creativity, AI's ability to analyze and imitate styles of famous artists has redefined the boundaries of artistic expressions. If you feed into the prompt of AI tool that you want to draw like some famous artist, then they will just imitate like the artist and you will be really amazed at how you are able to generate such awesome art. Now, interactive art. Explore how AI has opened up new opportunities for audience interaction and participation in artistic creation. So let's explore and see how we can create wonderful art pieces, and we will be amazed at how we are able to create such wonderful artistic drawings and colorings. And even now, you know that video generation is also possible. So we will learn that also in the future videos. Now, data driven artistry discover how AI processes vast data sets to generate unique and meaningful art pieces. So, that is why what I told you that AI has been fed with a lot of information, with a lot of data by the companies, and AI is smart enough to create wonderful drawings and colorings for us, and we need not even pick up our pencil or paintbrush or crayons or any other kind of colors, and we are able to generate wonderful AI art. Exploring the capabilities of AI in generating art. So, one thing I want to tell you that recently I authored a book called Poems Cloud, which is stored in Amazon, and you can buy my book, and I write poems. So, along with the poems, I have generated with every poem there is a mood matching AI art in the book. So the AI is able to understand the mood or the emotion that I have written in the poem, which is very exciting for a poet. Once you have written a poem with all your feelings, and then when you put your poem as a prompt in the AI tool, and AI tool generates exactly the same mood matching poems, it becomes very exciting for the poet, as if their poem has come to life by seeing that visual form of the feeling or the emotion. It feels that the poem has really come to life, and I used to literally jump out of my chair while generating these images from AI tools. And I used to wonder how AI is able to understand exactly my emotion. So let's continue with the topic, exploring the capabilities of AI in generating art. Creative diversification discuss the wide range of art forms and styles that AI can produce, from traditional to abstract. Example, infographics by ChatGPT. For example, if you have written a lot of information in your prompt, and you have asked some question from ChatGPT, and it explains in a long form answer, and you can ask the ChatGPT to generate an infographic about this answer. So it will write in short points and make literally a wonderful infographic. Just try it out today. So I have shared some of the infographics in my Instagram profile. After a while, I'm going to show you my Instagram profile, and then you will be able to see how ChatGPT is able to generate such wonderful infographics. And the information that is contained in the answer of the ChatGPT gets entirely covered in the infographic in a short form. For example, I want to create a timetable of my week-long diet. Then I will ask ChatGPT to make me a diet plan, and then I can ask it to generate an infographic. And then if I take the printout of it and stick it on the wall of my kitchen, I need not go through the long answer that ChatGPT has given, and literally as a table, as a generated table or something, or in short points, ChatGPT gives this infographic, which is very exciting. Now, the next thing is efficiency and precision. Highlight how AI streamlines the artistic process, providing accuracy and speed in creating complex visual. So you must be knowing about Manas.ai, this AI tool. It creates wonderful birthday cards. Whenever I have some friend having a birthday and I have to wish them in a WhatsApp group, I never just simply write a line, happy birthday Babita, or happy birthday Lata. I don't do like that. I simply go to Manas.ai and I ask it to create a nice birthday card for my friend. And then I go to Grok. I ask it to convert this image into a video, and in the video itself it will be written happy birthday and the name of my friend. May God bless you. Whatever wishes I want to write in the card, and it will be a 6-second video. So it is very exciting to send such videos to our acknowledgements, and it is very, very exciting when they feel happy, that they say that, wow, what a sweet gesture, ma'am, or dear friend, you have sent this short video as a birthday card. That is very exciting, and everyone should try it out, because in this AI tools generation, in this age, we should be innovative. We should not simply be writing happy birthday so and so, and we should have our own style of presenting our message in the WhatsApp groups, in the Facebook, in the Instagram, whichever, or in LinkedIn, wherever we are interacting with people, we should be having our own style by using our AI tools knowledge. So personalized art experiences explore how AI tailors art to individual preferences, engaging viewers on a deeper level. For example, we have Imagine, which is a mobile app as well as a desktop app. Now, this app is my favorite, and one more app is Imagine by Google. So there are these two apps, but mostly I use this app which is written on your screen, Imagine, and I have been using it since almost last 2 years. And I also used to use one more app called Leonardo da Vinci. And the one more app was Da Vinci, DAVINCI, Da Vinci, and Leonardo da Vinci, and Imagine. These three apps I have been using, but mainly nowadays I'm using only Imagine. Now let's go to the next slide. The role of motion picture brush in AI art generation. This is one more very exciting thing that is there in AI art. Now, once we create an AI art, we go to another app of which will be having motion picture brush and other effects that we can create, the visual effects that we can create, with which we can show. It becomes very exciting. We show, suppose, the clouds moving in the sky. We show the water moving in the river, like that. Then uh, motion picture brushes, you have to manually literally draw the arrows, and then you have to ask the app to create motion over there. So that way it works. Now, dynamic visualizations. Discover how motion picture brush adds movement and life to still art, creating captivating visual experiences. Interactive storytelling. Explore how motion picture brush enables the integration of narratives and stories into visual creations. And that is what actually used to happen with my poem also. Although I can put only images in my book, but in my Instagram profile, I used to put videos also, which were created with the help of motion picture brush app called MovePic. So, with this app, MOVEPIC, I have written in the last line. I used to take my image that has been generated by an AI tool. I would take it to MovePic, and I used to simply put arrows. I used to draw arrows in whichever direction I want the movement to be happening. And the still art, the still AI art will be converted into kind of a small, maybe 5-second video. And this also becomes very exciting. Now, emotional impact. Understand how motion picture brush enhances the emotional resonance of AI generated art, providing a deeper connection to viewers. But nowadays, we need not even use motion picture brush. Grok has come, and in Grok, if we go and we upload an image and we simply write the prompt, create video, it creates a 6-second video, and that is very exciting because the same work that does the motion picture brush will do, that Grok does it for us. So Grok, as you know, it is of X. It is an LLM of X. LLM means you know what it is. It is a large language model like ChatGPT, and X means Twitter. So Grok is the LLM of X. So it generates video, and also it does many other jobs, which we can talk later on when I'm explaining you about Grok. So case studies, successful examples of AI art generation using motion picture brush. Award-winning films explore how AI-driven motion picture brush has contributed to the creation of renowned cinematic masterpieces. Dynamic advertising campaigns witness the impact of AI generated art in innovating innovative marketing strategies, captivating diverse audiences, immersive virtual environments, experience the integration of AI art and motion picture brush in creating engaging virtual worlds, and simulations. Challenges and limitations of AI art generation and motion picture brush. Data bias and quality. Examine the potential biases of AI generated art and the importance of data quality in the creation process. Ethical implications. Discuss the ethical considerations surrounding AI art generation and motion picture brush in various societal contexts. Technical limitations. Analyze the current technical constraints such as computational expenses and software limitations impacting AI art generation. So what happens is if we create too many arts in a day, our free credits get over, and these AI tools are, some of them are freemium. Freemium means some of the work they can do for free, but if we want to create too many number of images, we will have to pay and convert the app to a premium app, and then only we can work ahead. So that way we have to uh, uh, start paying if we are creating too much, giving too much work to the AI tool. But one idea you can use is you switch over from one email ID to another. If you have two email IDs, you can switch over from one email ID to another, and you can log in with the second email ID. Then again you will get free credits, and you can start using them for free until your credits are exhausted. And some of the apps, they replenish the credits every day, or some of the apps, they replenish your credits every month. So that way you actually, if you use it nominally, you will get the chance to use your AI tools fully without having any problem. So future possibilities and advancements in AI art generation, 3D art evolution. Discover the potential of AI in shaping the future of 3D artistic creations and immersive digital environments. Now, infinite artistic exploration. Explore the concept of infinite art generation using AI and the impact of artistic expression and creativity. Now, mm, last week, I and my family, we went for a cinema, and it was Mahavatar Narsimha. If you have seen this movie, you will come to know this is an AI art generated movie, and it is very exciting to see how the characters are moving in the movie, how the lips are syncing, and how they are delivering the dialogues. It is really awesome to see how wonderfully they have created this movie. Once more, I will say the name Mahavatar Narsimha. If you get time with your family, do visit the theater and watch this AI art generated movie. And we have really more to come in AI art and in cinema of AI art. Now, conclusion and key takeaways. Artistic revolution. Summarize the remarkable journey of AI, and let's summarize what we have discussed. And motion picture brush in redefining artistic boundaries and creation methodologies. Now, ethical considerations reflect. We should always reflect on the ethical challenges and implications that arise from the seamless integration of AI in the art domain. And future pathways explore the potential pathways for further advancements and innovations in AI art generation and motion picture brush technologies. I hope you liked my explanation of AI art and motion picture brush. And if you have enjoyed this video, do write the comments. But wait, my video is not still over. I want to show you my Instagram profile and what I had shared. First of all, let me show in manas.ai how I had created a happy Teacher's Day card for my teacher, and then I had converted it into a video using Grok, and then I shared it with my teacher as well as I put it in my Instagram profile. So let me, first of all, this Manas is loading. So give me a moment and let me show you how beautifully Manas has created a card, um, Happy Teacher's Day card. Yesterday it was 5th September 2025. So, I had created this beautiful card, but right now I think Manas is taking a little longer to load. So let me try to start Instagram and show you directly in the Instagram profile if it opens. Just give me a moment and I hope it will load. Yeah, it has come and I will show you this wonderful card. No, I guess I have not shared in Instagram. I wanted to show you in Manas. Manas is not loading. I'll show you in WhatsApp. Give me a moment if WhatsApp is able to get started. Let me check. Now I don't hardly go to Imagine Art because Manas creates it automatically for me. So let me show you my piano teacher. I gifted him this card and he felt very happy about it. Let me check if I have this. Yeah, this I think it has it here. Yeah, this was the card. So I hope you like this card, this particular card. Then let me show you in Instagram. Yeah, here. See here, you can see this card I had created in Manas. And the video that you saw that I had converted in this still art was created in Manas, and later I went to Grok, and then I converted it into the video, 6-second video. So you can understand how wonderful it is these days and how exciting it is to use AI tools, AI art generation, and you need not simply write text messages to your friends and teachers and whoever you want to send them a card or you want to send them a nice wish. There are many other actually in my Manas, but now I only want to show you my Instagram profile so that you are able to see many more videos which I had shared here in Facebook as well as in Instagram. See this particularly have a look at this Ganesha video. See, this mouse is moving, how wonderful it is looking. Grok created this video for me from a still art. Actually, the still art I had taken from WhatsApp only. I simply got the still art and then I put it in Grok and it gave me such a nice one. So this infographic I was talking about, like I wanted to write to people that we should think of marine life also and things. So I talked to ChatGPT and then I asked it to create a this thing infographic about it, and then you can see other, like, see, this video was created in Grok from particularly this still art which was created in Imagine. I'll show you the still art. Yeah, this was the art that was created in Imagine from one of my poems that I recently wrote, Eternal Lap of Love, about the love of my mother, me, and my daughter, means 3 generations. That way I had written this poem, and then I simply put the poem in the prompt section of the AI art tool, which was Imagine, and then this video was generated. And then let me show you other videos. See, this also was created for the same poem. This is the video that was generated from this particular still art. The video was generated in Grok and the still art was created in Imagine. Now this is the video, Eternal Lap of Love. This particular still art was created in Manas, and this particular video was this same picture. I took it to Grok and I converted it into a wonderful video without using motion picture brush. Now Grok is doing it automatically for us, so we need not use motion picture brush. This particular, see, along with the sound also it is generating. I hope you can hear the sound in the this video. Now this was a still art. This was a video generated and this was a still art. Let me go to other parts of my Instagram profile if I can find. See this. This is such a nice one. This video was generated and this was the still art. This video was generated was the still art. like this, you can go through my Instagram profile. I hope I must have given you my Instagram profile already. And if you still go down, you know, there are my AI arts generated along with my poems. Here, you can go down and you can see more and more and more. Still down, there are, these. I have written my poems. For example, this one was one of my poems. I have them in my life is a poetry. This poem I had written, and then I got this particular uh, AI art from Canva. I had created from Canva. Canva, imagine, I hope you all know that Canva also has the Canva magic. It also has the AI art thing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let me stop the video, and if you enjoyed it, do write your notes below my video. Do write some comments so that I can come to know that what have you understood from the video, and then let's meet in the next video. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
हाँ.